Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made delicious curried mashed parsnips. Not too surprisingly, I start by peeling my parsnips. Once I've peeled them, I just chop off the ends and chop out the core. I'll chop them into even-sized pieces and I'll cut them small so they cook a bit quicker. Once I've chopped them all, I'll give them a good wash. Now I'll melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a frying pan. Now the butter's melted, I'll add my parsnips under a high to medium heat. I want them brown and caramelised to get out that sweet flavour of the parsnips. After about 5 minutes, the parsnips are a lovely golden brown colour. I'll turn the heat down now and I will add some curry powder, just enough for my personal taste. I'll give it a good stir, making sure all the pieces of parsnips are coated in the curry powder. Then I add some coconut milk. Regular whole milk would work, as would plant milks. I just want enough milk to half cover the pieces of parsnips. Then I add 1 clove of crushed garlic. Then I add some salt and white pepper to taste. I'll add 1 tablespoon of honey. I'll give that a good stir, place the lid on, and I'll check and stir every couple of minutes until my pieces of parsnips fall away easily when crushed with a fork. The pieces of parsnips are lovely and soft. Most of the liquid is reduced, so I'll take it off the heat now. Now all I have to do is mash the parsnips. So there it is, deliciously flavoursome curried mashed parsnips. Make a great alternative to potatoes. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take really good care of yourselves and I'll see you in the next one.